Let's talk about the difference between quartz and quartzite. So, quartz is a man made material, whereas quartzite is a natural stone. You want to consider what your lifestyle is when picking this countertop material. So, the main differences are quartz is not very heat resistant. So, if you're somebody that really cooks a lot and wants to put hot pots on your countertop, that might not be the right option. Whereas quartzite is kind of like granite, where because it's a natural stone, it's very resistant to lots of heat. The other thing is quartz is a non-porous material. It's a no maintenance material and it's very easy to keep up with. So it's a good option for people that don't want to have to think about maintaining their countertop. Quartzite is a beautiful material, but because it is a natural stone, it is porous. So you do have to care for it a little bit more and you have to seal it every so often to keep it looking beautiful. So I hope these were helpful for you. Stay tuned for more tips.